Hey guys, Jeff here from I'll Be in the Garage. Look at what I found. I just picked this up in my local junk store. I paid 50 bucks for this. It's an old steamer trunk and it looks awesome. It was made by a company in Canada. It says since 1870, but I'm guessing this was made in the 1920s, around that era, 1930s. What's cool is it's been to Europe because it's got these legitimate old stickers on it from a hotel in London with the ambassadors. And I know it was on a train going to Manchester at one point, which is pretty cool. I love old trunks like this. I have another one I bought that's not quite as old, and here it is. I restored this one. I cleaned it all up. I cleaned out the inside. I spray painted the outside to make it look old, and I even printed out some fake vintage travel stickers and put them all over it. And this is where I keep my sweaters, down in my basement room. But the trunk that I just bought, I'm going to show you what's cool about it. It's not just an empty trunk inside. It's actually a wardrobe trunk. So it's a complete wardrobe in there. And see, it's got sets of drawers here, which latch open. And when I opened this up, I thought, what in the world? I thought there was actually some vintage stuff in here. So I thought I might have had a love letter from somebody or something. And this piece of paper here, it is some weird kind of letter, but it almost looks like it's photocopied and it's some weird legal letter. I can't even read the handwriting. It's something about suing somebody. I have no idea what this is. But anyways, this is pretty cool inside this compartment here. I'm guessing it's for a hat because it's got that hat form there and a tie down. So you put your hats in there.
Okay, let's put this back.
And it's a little bit smelly in here, obviously. I mean, this fabric has been there for 100 years or so. So what I think I'm going to do is actually keep all the wood in here, but put new facing fabric in there so it doesn't smell. And then you got a couple of really nice drawers in here. You can fold up and put your socks and stuff in. And on the other side, this is really cool. You swing out these two arms here, and this becomes your hanger system. So you got a hanger here for small items. You can hang stuff over these bars. And then behind that, you got your regular system of hangers. These are very thin, kind of birch plywood. So you can put suits on here, dresses, whatever you want. But I think this is an amazing find. Like I said, I'm going to be replacing the fabric in here, and then we'll see how it turns out. Thanks for watching.